Glock 17 is designed and produced by Austrian manufacturer, Glock mbH since 1982. It is developed as polymer-framed, short recoil-operated, and locked breech semi-automatic pistol. 9-19 mm parabellum or 9mm cartridge is used in Glock 17. It has a barrel length of 114 mm, weight of 915 gram with loaded magazine. It has a muzzle velocity of 375 meter per second, and have an effective firing range of 50 meter. 17-round detachable box magazine is used as feed system of Glock 17. It is used in 48 countries' defense. Like, share and subscribe Defense Magazine.